Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to download Tableau on your Windows operating system. So basically before we start we can see what is Tableau. So Tableau is a visual analytics platform transforming the way we use data to solve problems, empowering people and organizations to make the most of their data. Tableau helps people and organizations be more data driven. As the market leading choice for modern business intelligence, Tableau makes it easier for people to explore and manage data and faster to discover and share insights that can change businesses and the world. Everything Tableau do is driven by the mission to help people see and understand data, which is why the Tableau is more designed to put the user first, whether they are an analyst, data scientist, student, teacher, executive, or business user. From connection through collaboration, Tableau is the most powerful, secure, and flexible end-to-end analytics platform. So this was about the Tableau. Now let's get started. So in order to download Tableau, first of all, before we see how to download Tableau, we need to learn that there are various options to download Tableau, or we can say there are various variants of Tableau available. So in order to download the free version, free desktop version, so you can just go to tableau.com and you can see click on the product. So under the product section, you can see the various Tableau parts. This is the cloud version, desktop. They have their desktop version. They have the Tableau server. They have the Tableau data management and all. So you just need to, they comes with a reason that there will be a 14 days free trial period. But if you want the permanently free Tableau desktop version, so what you can do is basically go to Tableau public. So you can just select Tableau public, and under the first section, in the first link, you have to click it. So this is the free version. So if this is the free version of the Tableau, and it is the permanent free, so there is no trial period. But if you go to this normal products Tableau desktop, so there will be a 14-day trial period. So you can just go to the pricing section and you can see which product is cost what amount. So now let's just go to the discover part. In this link, we just have to go to the create section, and in the create section you can see the download Tableau desktop public edition. So when I click it, just redirect me, so you can see that it creates graphs, stunning maps, live dashboards, and it's free. So you just click download Tableau desktop. So it asks you to fill up the details. So when you fill up your details, let me just fill up my details. Now after filling up the details, it is saying thank you for download desktop. If your download doesn't begin automatically, try again. So let's see. Automatically not starting currently. Okay, so I manually clicked Windows here because the download process didn't start. So let me just wait. So let me just get back to you when the download procedure has completed. So as you can see, the file has been downloaded. Now you just have to select this. It might ask you for the administrative privileges, so you have to grant it. Okay, 10. So it just says the setup is welcome to Tableau. Before geometry is Thailand, so you just have to select I agree, send, and you can even customize some settings. Like if you want to choose a different area where you want to download, so you can manually select that area. You can have a Tableau product updates. You can have a start menu shortcut and all, but just want to keep it as it is. Now I have to click install. And now it has asked for the administrative privileges. Now I grant them. Now the downloading process has begun. Just remember that the version we are downloading is 2022.4.1. So if you manually want to download some of the version, you can just go to their website and you can manually select the version that you want to download, and you can download it over there. So now Tableau is finished. I think it was okay. Now Tableau desktop has automatically start. Okay, so this is the interface that you will get after you have launched the Tableau. So in the below you can see that if you want to upgrade your version, so you can just upgrade it from here. And as I have mentioned earlier, that this is the public version, so it is the free version. So it also supports very less number of data connectors. But if you would have downloaded the paid version along with the 14-day trial period, so it would have given more than 200 of data connectors. But since we are using the public version, so automatically, so that's for the obvious reasons, it has given the less number of connectors. So it also has given some sample data sets that you can use for your visualization purposes. So if you don't have any data sets, so you can just, if you're just on the learning stage, so you can just use this. There's sample data set which has been provided by Tableau itself. So you can just manually download some sample data sets in the link you can just see on the right hand side, like sample download sample data sets. So when you click it, redirects you to this page where you can just download the sample data sets. So when you have even one thing it is better about the Tableau is not only you can download the data sets from it from this particular website, but when you have installed the Tableau itself has given you one sample repository which you can make use of. So let's go ahead. So you can just go to Microsoft Excel. Then what you have to do is basically select documents, and here you can see this repository has been created by Tableau itself. So you have to just select it. So now you have to select data sources. Okay, you have to select connectors. Okay, so currently I think there is no sample file available, but you will get a sample file here, so it's not an issue. So for the demo purpose, let's just download a sample data set. So to download it, we just have to click sample data set, and you can see. So first it says Superstore Sales. Let's just download it. Okay, click download file, and you can even see how this data set looks like. Okay, the download has finished. I'll just cross it. Now I'll just go to the Microsoft Excel. I'll go to downloads, sample Superstore. Now I'll click open. This loading the data. One more thing is, like, you can even share this as it is a public desktop version, so you can even share with your colleagues or you can share with anyone via the internet. So this is the table. So you can see this is the basically before you visualize your data, you need to pre-process your data, you need to do some sort of data manipulation or data correction. So you can do it at this particular stage. When you have finalized the data, then you can use for further visualization purposes after you have cleaned your or data after you have performed data cleaning or data manipulation. So in order to see the sheets, I could just select orders. I can drag drop it here, and it's tell me the data about the orders data set. I can draw people also. Here I can just perform data modeling, like I can connect various data sets. Okay, it showing me an error. Okay, let's just remove it. So not remove it. Select connect with the people. Okay, I'll also connect the returns. So you can see this links has been already formed. So basically this links has been formed based on the column. So you can see region, based on the region column from these two people and orders data sheets, it has linked, and you can also see the relationship, type of relationship. So currently it's many to many and returns. Okay. So after you have performed all your data modeling and data pre-processing steps, now it's time to draw some graphs. So what you can do is basically click on this plus icon, which is new worksheet. You can even create a new dashboard. So you can click on new dashboard. So let me just plot a graph. So I'll create a new worksheet, and it redirects me to this page. So now you can see all the columns of the respective tables are being shown in the left ID, along with for the orders table, for the peoples, along with the data types. You can see for the customer ID, ABC is the data type. For the row ID, it has been given as the hashtag, which says about the integer values. any numbers, and you can also see the measure names are also being given in below. So now what you can, in order to plot a graph, you have to just drag and drop the columns. It will just generate a graph for you. Now in order to plot a graph, let me just select the, let's take an example. Let's take the category and the profit which is generated by each category. So I'll take category and I want a column. You can even select the type of graphs. I want the pie chart, so I have selected pie charts. You can select other graphs if you want to. And I want the profit, so I'll just select, drag and drop it here. And now you can see the furniture category has a profit of 18,451. Office supplies has 122,491, and technology has 145,455. So this is how you can plot graphs in Tableau. If you want to format the graph, you can just right click it and you can see the format option. So when you select it, so there are also format options available that you can do. If you want some more visual depicting graphs, any settings you want, you can just manually set them at this particular format window. Now if you want to plot some map, so for map you can just select country column and you can select here, and in this section you have to select maps. Map is already selected, and you can also see some graphs. So just select. So yeah, this is how you can plot graphs, and you can even create dashboards where you can have multiple graphs. This was regarding only for one type of chart, and if you have to have multiple charts on a page, so that is particular dashboard, so you can even create it in the dashboard page. So this was pretty much about how to download and a basic demo how to use Tableau, and for any doubts you can just comment down it below. Hope you would have enjoyed the video, and yeah, thank you.